How to change name in Faceit. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So start by opening up a web browser and search for faceit.com and log into your account. You can also use the Faceit app. Once you have done that, you want to click on these three dots. Click on it and now click on your account. Once you are here, you can find account information and then nickname. So here you can see that you can upgrade to premium to change your nickname for free. So for that you need to click on this button right here that says upgrade to premium, or you can also change your nickname from the shop for 1000 Faceit points. So you can head over to shop and now you want to scroll down and then you're going to find the option to change your nickname. So scroll down until you find it and here you can see nickname change. So simply click on it, and if you have 1000 Faceit points then you will be able to change your nickname. So you simply have to enter your new nickname and then confirm it. So these are two ways on how you can change name in Faceit. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.